Hey guys, hi, good afternoon, Akash Sharma here. Guys, I have sent you the email access for the alert indicator. Actually, alert, specific Google Sheet. It is named on the basis of your email ID only. You can find this is the example of my client actually, which I showed, right? And this, just a second. This is my client, and this is the format you will be getting for that alert indicator, right? Here you can see in the bottom daily, weekly and monthly sections are there. Those who are a positional trader and swing trader, I recommend you to use daily and weekly. And those who are long term investors into mutual fund, ETFs or stocks, and they want to set the alerts, you can add the first column. You can see this is the ticker part. You can add the ticker over here, and the next column, you can set the percentage based on the analysis which you have made using my analysis tool. Two links you have to store. This is one alert link, and the second the analysis link which I've shared you via mail as well as WhatsApp group. Okay, so make sure you keep these two links together. So how you can find the ticker, let me tell you. Just a second. Okay, now I'm just going to the site. I'm on the Google Finance tab. You can see this is the Google Finance tab, and I let's say example of you want a ticker of uh, let's say Reliance. Once you add Reliance in the search bar, just a second, my net is actually slow. Once you add Reliance over here in the search bar, the ticker here you can see one small cap ticker. This is a small cap ETF ticker, right? Here the small cap. This is the ticker name that you can add for the ETF. Okay, now you can see here. I'm writing. Let's say example ITC. I'm writing this ITC Limited, right? Once I write the ITC and press enter, this is the ticker of ITC. ITC only, right? You can see over here. Make sure once you copy there is no space in between. Okay, after copying, go to the sheet and write the ticker over here, right? And what percentage you need to set? Let's say example you want 3% deep alert. So once the market dips for ITC, once the market dips 3% or less, or three gain 3% or plus, you will get the specific alert for deep as well as peak. Both alert you will be getting, as we have already discussed, right? So by this you can pick the ticker from the means Google Finance sheet. Multiple tickers are available. There are lots of, I can say, mutual fund, ETF, stocks, commodity, whatever you search in this Google Finance, the ticker you'll be getting over here. Okay, I hope it's understood to you. So make the list of the ticker and add the ticker over here in the sheet. Okay, once you add this ticker and the alert, and this is the daily, monthly and weekly sheet. So based on, if you are a positional and intraday, if you want swing trading, then you can fill the daily tickers and the percentage as per your analysis. Weekly accordingly same. Okay, so I hope everything is clear. Still, if you have any doubts, you'll find my number over here, right above scrolling text. Example, by the example I've given you the Reliance ticker, how to find the Reliance ticker. First learn that. And still, if you have any confusion, this is my direct number to reach above scrolling text. Feel free to contact me. Okay, and thank you, thanks for your time, and thanks for trusting my quality of the work and purchasing this indicator. And this is the again request, if you or your friends want to purchase the indicator, you can share my contact details to him. And this is really helpful tool, guys, those who are into investment side and long term positional traders. Okay, thank you, thanks for your time, guys. Thanks a lot.